Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have LANY here with the song called XXL. So, LANY has been covered many times here on Growing Guitar. We love this guy here, great artist. To just mention a couple of his songs here on Growing Guitar. Congrats, Up to Me, DNA, and now XXL. So yeah, let's take a look at this one. We have pretty much one chord progression through the entire song here, but we have an intro that could be nice to learn as well. The first starting point is the capo here set on the 3rd fret. That will be the easiest scenario for us, best chords. So capo on 3rd, and yeah, we can go through the chords first actually, or yeah, why not switch it up a little bit and go for the intro first and then chords, why not? So the intro goes like this. Okay, that's how it's played to begin with. So we will stick to the G and B string now. So the notes, the 5 notes will be open G, 2nd G, open G, then 3rd B, and back to 2nd G. On the G string here, I use the hammer on and pull off technique here. So like this, I just pick the first note there, the open G, then I hammer on the 2nd fret G string and I pull off with my same fretboard hand here to get the open G string. So I'm not working with my picking hand here, my right hand, like this, to make it a little bit more fluid, so to speak. And then you need to pick the next 2 notes, 3rd fret B string and 2nd G. Okay, so you do that for intro and that's it. Then we have chords to play and strum, and they go in the same way through the entire song. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have the A here. I go with the sus version, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and now open B and open E. We have C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally the GB chord. So that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So there we have the different chords. Now grab the G, that's the first chord. We're gonna look at the strumming pattern. It's a very common one. It's down, up, clap, up. So like this. Down, up, clap, up. Okay, so it goes G, 2 string rounds, then the A sus, 2, and C4. So G2, A2, C4, that's the first half, and then E minor 2, GB2, and C4. That's the second half, and that is the 6 chords that goes like this through the entire song. So G2, A2, C2, then E minor 2, GB2, and C4. So G2, A2, C4, E minor 2, GB2, and C4. Any standard tempo. So there you got it, guys. LANY's XXL. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial and want to show me some appreciation, leave a thumb up on this tutorial, subscribe, of course, if you haven't yet, and yeah, play tuned.